Time to decorate my door. Okay, y'all. What it is, what's up? Thank you guys for watching my videos. Guys, it's day 4 of Vlogmas. Let's get into it. So today, I'm just decorating the door. Y'all, it is cold out here, so I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. It's literally supposed to be snowing today, and I think that is a little bit of snow falling out there. I know it's some snow on the roads and stuff, so if you're in Pennsylvania, South Carolina, North Carolina, where it's cold, it's cold right now, make sure y'all be safe, the black ice while driving. So yeah, so let's get into me decorating my door. So you guys, I'm just doing the I'm wrapping my door as a big present. That's it. My house is the gift. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so first thing first, before I start doing anything, let me get this out the way, and then let me sweep my porch. Alright, that should be good. Got some glitter. Y'all can see how windy it is. I'm gonna have to be in here a little bit because I got the heat on, y'all.
Y'all, and at this moment, I started to struggle so bad, y'all. It was so windy. It didn't make no sense. Like, y'all finna watch me struggle. And it's like, I didn't even think, like, it was gonna be this hard. But, y'all, it was a little hard. Like, I was struggling, like, real bad. Like, the wind was blowing. Then the thing kept falling. Like, y'all finna just be watching me. Look, just, next time, somebody gonna help me do this. Because, yeah. I'm not doing it by myself next time. Maybe if it wasn't as windy, but I still feel like you need at least another person to help you. Like, while I was holding it, somebody could have been taping it on the back of the door.
y'all don't watch me struggling. I'm just come back. Once I finish, at least taking the door and I'll show y'all me doing everything. So I'll be back. Oh, yeah. It's still freezing in the house. It's very freezing. And y'all, all this stuff came from $1.25 store. And then here is the ribbon, so I'm gonna start doing the door. So you mean to tell me y'all gonna let my stuff blow away and don't tell me? Okay. Okay, somebody would have told me I would have been struggling this one. I would have told the girl, you goddamn lad. Girl, struggling like hell. I'm feeling this bow before I look any type of other damn way. I really don't know how to tie no damn bow. Yeah, this shit gonna be ugly as hell. We for the sea, baby. I'm gonna call my auntie because she used to be a florist, so she know how to make cute bows and stuff. But this kind of cute, and I got an extra piece of little gold. I probably can make this part thicker. So y'all will see. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so what I did was I had an extra little piece. I just tied it in a knot in the back to make this part look thicker, like the bow part look a little cuter. But y'all, this gonna be it. It's too cold for me to try to keep figuring out a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna put this on the door here and I'm gonna show y'all the little outlook. Everything from, the mat is from Dollar General. It was $8. That's not bad. And then everything else was from the $1.25 store. So I think at the $1.25 store I only spent $7. And then this $8. Alright, let me show y'all the finished look real quick. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I know it might not look like much, but I'm happy just to say I'm in the Christmas spirit. I'm here, I'm alive. It's about to be 2025. I can't say nothing else. My door actually looks amazing. So, yes, let me actually get a thumbnail in front of my door. So, yeah. All right, you guys, this is the end of vlog day 4 of Vlogmas, and y'all, I'm gonna go get me a hot cocoa coffee from Starbucks or something. This is my finished results of my Christmas door, and next time I'm gonna have somebody help me because it was way too windy to be trying to do that. Y'all would see me struggling, and then my bag blew away. Y'all already know what it is. Until next time, bye.